Hello, alright guys, I want to show you quickly how to place a stop limit, use a stop limit in trading, and very quickly, and let me move over to my tab trader again. And stop limits is used for buy and sell, and I will tell you exactly when both limits are useful. Okay, for instance, now in sell decisions, you sell when you feel that you are in profit and the market is in your favor. You understand? So right now, let me make use of this particular iota again and to show you this. Okay, because the market is in your favor, so you don't want to you don't want to lose out. You understand? So you think you are in a better position, in a better placed environment. So I want to quickly show you this. Now let me move over to Binance very quickly and show you what that means. For instance, now I've moved over to IOTA. This is the same market. How do I get in here? Because I am interested in this particular coin. Let's look at it here. I just click on search, and I'm interested in that pair. Look at the search here, IOTA USDT. So I now go to IOTA, IOTA, IOTA. I don't know how it's pronounced. Now USDT. I'll now click on this. So boom, it will bring me to this market. So I want to go to sell. I'll click on sell, but because I don't want to sell instantly, I want to place a limit order that this market is going up, but I'm afraid it may come down. I may sleep, or I may go out, I may step out, and before you know it, I've lost all the promise that I've made. So what I will do is I will now go here and use this particular stop limit. This is a very important aspect of this market, of this whole thing. Do you understand? So but this particular is usually used, I use it a number of times in a bear market, is not in a bull market. You understand? So a bear market is that a market drops and you know that it may be difficult for a price to come back to the market to the level it has dropped to. You understand? So there's a different strategy to that. So I'll be showing that in advanced settings class, where you'll be seeing how to trade a bear market and a bull market. So let me move over to the tab trader again and bring out this clearly to you. Okay, now you can look, see this tab trader now. So what is happening here is that the market has gotten to this level. Awesome. Okay, and I am afraid it may drop again. It may grow and drop at this, to this level. It may drop again and come back here. This market can misbehave sometimes, so it may drop again, and in fact it may even go down further. But trust me, this one is usually, I use this a number of times, like I said, in a bear market and not in a bull market. Okay, you can still see the market is moving up. Okay, but now what I will do here is, let me use these indicators. Let me use these indicators, and let me change the color to orange, this one to yellow. Okay, now this market has moved to this level, and maybe I just place this particular, this is 0.41. I don't want it to drop below 0.41. Do you understand? So that maybe I bought here, so I don't want to lose all these profits I've made from this to this level. This is the loss I can bear from this market. Okay, so let me draw another horizontal line to show you something else again. And let me use blue. Okay, now this is 0.415. Okay, 0.41. Sorry, let me put it here, 0.415. Okay, now I said how we place a stop limits command is, as this price has gone to this level now, and I said okay, there's a tendency that this coin may drop again. So if it's dropping and it's dropping, please, I want you to place a stop limit. See the stop limit here, see the limit here. Place a price to sell at 0.41. Whenever the market is dropping and drops to this level, whenever it drops to 0.415, please help me place a stop limit to sell at 0.41. So what it means is that it's a command. Understand the difference. The stop limit is different from the limit. So it will not place a command that a sell order will only be placed. The sell order has not been placed though, but the sell order will only be placed when the price gets to this level. Do you understand? So sorry, when the price gets to this level, a stop limit to sell at this level will be placed. Now see, understand those the two different scenarios, 0.41 and 0.415 and 0.41. So what I'll do here quickly, I'll move over to my Binance, and since I have gotten the indicator and from Tap Trader, so what I'll do, I'll quickly come over to my market. Here you can see I'm still in stop limit, and I'm not doing buy now, I'm doing sell. It works for both buy and sell, but for selling here, so what I'll do is, now I said, he said whenever market drops to this is stop order, this is where the order will be placed. Whenever market drops to 0.4, sorry, it shows 0.415 there, right? Yes, do you understand? Then place a limit order to sell at 0.41. Exactly. So that's what you said. So as you mean, I have how many IOTA now? I have maybe like 500 IOTA. I'll put the 500 IOTA here. You understand all of them? If I just assuming I have 100 here, if I just click on this spot, it will bring all of them here. But since there's no IOTA in that particular market, in that particular this particular, I'll just put the quantity of IOTA I have, and this is the amount it will give me to sell. It is going to sell, not it's not going to sell at this price, it will sell at this price, but the command will be placed at this level because it is becoming down. Do you understand? So what I will do here is, once I have set all these parameters right, I'll quickly click on sell order. I can see it will tell you exactly again what you're trying to do. It says if the last price drops to or below 0.0415 USDT, an order to sell this particular quantity will be placed at this particular price. You can see it. You now say yes. Once you say yes, it will set the command, and whenever the price gets to this particular level, if it drops to this particular level, your sell order to sell at this particular price will be placed. But if it does not get to this level, your sell order will not be placed, and you come back the next morning. Whenever you come back and see that the price has moved past to the level you thought it is. Okay, so I'm not placing this order right now. I will now say cancel. So that's all for now. So the same thing applies to buying. So as you mean I want to buy, and the same thing applies to buy, and buying you now use a different scenario and says, okay, let me use a different scenario picture to show you how to use it when you want to buy. Let me use a different coin to show you that. But for now, let's stop here.